Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings here, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go down until you find here Messenger and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem.